Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to share with you 63 search engines to submit your website. Guys, if you will not submit your website on search engine, then your website will not show in search result. Your website will not get lot of audience. You will have to submit your website on search engines to get lot of audience. I will teach you how to submit your website on all search engines. Watch this full video all the way until the end. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, open Chrome browser and search here CPA marketing for beginners. Guys, I have recently created this website. You can get this website URL in this video description box below. Click on this three line. Now click on submit your website on all search engines to get traffic on your website. It will then take you to this page. Scroll down below. Guys, here you can see I have collected some search engines. You will have to submit your website on all search engines. Let me tell you how you can submit your website on these search engines. Click here to open these search engines. It will then take you to this page. Type here your website URL. Now type here your email address. Click on submit button. Yeah, here we go guys. As you can see here, my website has submitted on this search engine. It's very simple to submit your website on this search engine. You can just click on add a website button. It will then take you to this page. Type here your website URL and type here your email address. And after that, click on submit button. Now let me show you another search engine. Click on Google. You can also search here Google Console. Now click here to open this website. Click on a start now button. It will then take you to this page. Guys, I have already submitted my website on Google search engine. As you can see here, you can just click on add property button. Now you can paste here your website URL. After that, click on continue button to submit your website on Google search engine. I have already submitted my website on Google search engine. Guys, I have recently submitted my website on Google search engine. That's why my website performance is showing 0. It will take at least 1 month to start ranking my website on Google search engine. Let me show you another search engine. Click here to open this search engine. It will then take you to this page. Scroll down below. Type here your website URL. Now type here your website title and select your category. I'm going to select education. Now type here website description. You can go on your website and copy website description. Now paste here. At last, click on submit button. Yeah, here we go guys. As you can see here, my website has submitted on this search engine. If you want to get more traffic on your website, then you will have to pay some money. You will have to pay 7.95 euros. Let me show you another search engine. Click here to open this search engine. Now paste here your website URL. Go on your website and copy your website URL. Now paste here. Click on submit button. Yeah, here we go guys. As you can see here, my website URL has submitted successfully. Guys, it's very easy to submit your website on all search engines. You can also submit your website on Bing search engine, Yandex search engines, and all of these search engines to get lot of audience on your website. Here you can see Baidu search engine. Baidu search engine is only available in China country. If you are from other country, then you will not be able to submit your website on Baidu search engine. You can submit your website on Yandex search engine. Guys, here you can see Yandex search engine have 3.4 billion visitors monthly. And here you can see this website have 91% visitors from Russia country. Guys, if you will submit your website on Yandex search engine, then your website will get lot of audience from Russia country. First of all, you will have to create account on Yandex search engine to submit your website. You can also submit your website on Bing search engine. Guys, here you can see Bing search engine have over 1.3 billion visitors monthly. When you will submit your website on Bing search engine, then your website will start to show in Bing search result. Your website will start to get lot of audience from Bing search engine. Let me show you how to submit your website on another search engine. Click here to open this search engine. It will then take you to this page. Type here your website URL. Now type here your email address. Click here to accept its terms of service. Click on submit site for indexing button. Yeah, here we go guys. As you can see here, my website has submitted on this search engine. Now I will have to confirm my email address. Check your email. Now click here to confirm your email address. Yeah, here we go. My email address has verified. Now scroll down below. Here you will have to fill out some details about your website. You will have to type here your website title. Now you can type here your website description. Scroll down below. Select your website topic. I have made educational website. Now type here keywords. You can type here searchable keyword. Guys, when someone will search this keyword on the search engine, then your website will show in search result. Scroll down below. Here you can select worldwide. I want to get audience on my website from all over the world. Now scroll down below. You can type here your mobile number. And here you can see this is optional. You can leave it blank. At last, click on Submit Site Meta Indexing button. Guys, it will take some time to submit your website on this search engine. Yeah, here we go guys. As you can see here, meta indexing done. Here you can see congratulations, successfully meta indexed. Now when someone will search this keyword on the search engine, then my website will show in search result. Guys, here you can see this search engine have over 2 million members. Guys, if you want to get more traffic on your website, then you will have to pay some money. You will have to pay $100 to get more audience on your website. You can click here to promote your website. Without promoting your website, you can also get lot of audience from this search engine. Guys, similarly you can submit your website on all these search engines to get lot of audience. I hope you found this video at all helpful. Please like and subscribe our channel, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.